Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your English literature class, children. So, in the previous day, we have completed chapter 8 of your book. As you all know, that the name of the chapter was A Big Parcel, right? Chapter 8, and the name of the chapter was A Big Parcel. And after completing the chapter, we have done some back exercises like quick questions, isn't it? This is what we have done in the previous day's class. Right, so and today in the morning I have sent you the question answer. If you come to page number 75, everyone, you open your book at page number 75. So today in the morning I have sent the question answer to you, that is read, reflect and write. Okay, see this question, read, reflect and write this question answer. Along with this, I have sent you some extra question answers also, so you write those in your CW copy. The word meanings also I have given, you also write those word meanings in your CW copy. Okay, and then today in this video we will do this chapter, that is word wall. Okay, what we will do, the word wall. Okay, so you open your book at page number 75, that is word wall. So jumbled word, what we'll do today, jumbled word. This is word wall, we'll do jumbled word. Here we will see some picture and accordingly let us see what can be done. First one, TERRELS. We can see three pictures here. What it is? This is, we have got this word in the book also, means not in the book, in this chapter. Okay, so let us try to find out. Looking, the clue is given, we can see a few pictures also. What is this? These are letters. These are letters. So what you'll do? LETTERS. Letters. This is what? Letters. Right. Then next one, what is this? Very delicious. All of you like this, right? Isn't it? So EKCA. No, it is not correct. So let us will unscramble this. See, CAKE, cake. CAKE, cake. Right. Now the third one. What is this? Let us see, let us unscramble and then we will see what is this. Okay, SENTREP, no meaning. Let us see, we will do PRESENT. It is packed, see, and beautifully it is packed here. What is this? Present. When you go to someone's party, we give some gift to them, and these gifts are also called presents, right? So this way we have unscrambled the words here, like letters, cake and then present, right? So this one is done. Once again I'll show this to you. First one, these are all letters, then this is cake and this is present, 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 CAKE, cake, and letters, LETTERS, letters. So I hope you have done this one. Now we will go to page number 7676. Let us see what can we do. Okay, you all are happy to do this. You all love to do this. And see, two more are there, number D and number E. See, two more are there, number D and number E. So this is what? Let us see. Can you find out? Okay, let us do it. Okay, this is newspaper. Newspaper, NEWS, newspaper, PAPER. Number D is newspaper. This is newspaper. Done. And what is this? You all love to blow this, right? Especially on your birthdays, on Christmas, right? So this is balloon. So what is the spelling? BALLON, balloon. Done. This one is done, balloon, and this is newspaper, right? So we have unscrambled here 5 words, right? So on page number 75 we have done 3, and on page number 76 we have done 2. Okay, this means first one was letters, then cake, then presents, then a present, then newspaper, and then balloon. Okay, these are the 5 words we have unscrambled. So write it properly. You may get it in your exam also. Okay, so be careful. So do everything, don't leave any word. Okay, and next day we will do the describing words. Okay, let me explain it to you, then we will do it in the next day. Describing word means what? It describes you, it qualifies you. If I say, suppose this is a black pen. What is this? Black pen. Pen is noun, name of something. Now I am describing the pen. I am saying black pen. So this word black is describing the pen, isn't it? Black is describing the pen. How it is? It is a black pen, isn't it? So this is a black. This word black is describing it. If I say, suppose this is a red copy, suppose this much I can see. So what is this copy? I am, this word red is explaining, describing the copy. What, which color copy? Red and black, white, isn't it? Yeah, green is also there, describing it, isn't it? So this way we can describe many words, means the nouns. So though the word that describes you, if I say you are Ravi is beautiful, Rita is beautiful. How is Rita? Beautiful. The word beautiful is describing Rita, how she is. If I say I have a short hair, means now this word short is describing my hair. How, what kind of hair do I have? Short hair. So the word short is describing what. If I say the blanket is beautiful, the blanket that Seema's grandmother has given her is beautiful. So the blanket is beautiful. The word here beautiful is describing the blanket. So it is a describing word. She has a pretty, it has a pretty patterns on it. How the patterns are? Pretty. So again the word pretty is describing it. It is made of colorful patches of cloth. Colorful. What kind of patches of cloth? Colorful. So all these words like colorful, beautiful, then pretty, all these words are short, that I told you, short hair, short, beautiful, all these words are describing the noun in the sentence. So they are called what? They are called describing words. So describing words are the word that describes the naming words. And you know what a naming words? Naming words are noun. Suppose this is pen, this is a noun. This way, so the blanket is name of an object, so it is noun, right? So the rest of the exercises we will do in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.